Here's a $1,400 gaming beast that'll destroy anything you throw at it. Let's build it. First up, the power supply. Corsair RM750E, 750 watts, 80 plus gold certified, fully modular for clean cable management. MSI Mag B650 Tomahawk Wi-Fi motherboard, ready for AMD's latest AM5 socket and Wi-Fi 6. 32 gigabytes of Corsair Vengeance RGB DDR5 6400 for smooth multitasking and insane speed. Crucial P3 Plus, 1 terabyte, NVMe SSD for lightning-fast load times. AMD Ryzen 7 7700X, 8 cores, 16 threads, 4.5 GHz, perfect for gaming and streaming. Gigabyte Radeon RX 7800 XT, 16 gigabytes of VRAM. This GPU will crush 1440p and 4K gaming. Arctic Liquid Freezer 3, 240mm. Keep that CPU ice cold under load. All powered up and ready to go. For $1,400, this build can run anything at max settings. Time to game. Smash that like and subscribe for more epic builds.